Hey there, Raiders! Here's how to unlock more balconies in Sand. If you're looking to give your trampler a more unique appearance or improve access to certain compartments, you can unlock additional balcony variants through the tech tree. From the main lobby, head to the tech tree and navigate to Kaiser's orange branch. This is where you'll find the balcony upgrades. Before you can unlock them, you'll first need to research wooden decks, which serves as the prerequisite. Once that's unlocked, you can purchase the first balcony upgrade for 1,300 crowns and 200 thread. As you progress further into the tech tree, you'll gain access to even better balcony variants, including armored versions that provide improved protection while expanding your trampler's layout options. Like most upgrades, these higher-tier balconies require more crowns and rarer resources to unlock. After unlocking a new balcony, return to your trampler's build page and place it anywhere your design allows. Balconies can improve mobility around your trampler and open up new building possibilities, but keep in mind that every additional component affects your trampler's overall weight and performance. Try to strike a good balance between practicality, protection, and appearance, and that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.